Julie, I wanted to give you a feel for Nia 5 stages. That is often done on the floor, but I want to show you the chair version. I do 5 stages every day, and believe it keeps me more limber. So you're welcome to try this with me, and as I say, I do it every day. So sense how you feel. Is there a body part that feels stuck or tight, painful? Let's see if we can help that through our movements. So stage 1 is called embryonic movement. Sometimes, most often it's done on the floor, but basically it is simply moving in fluid ways, liquid motion. This should feel good. And you can do this for as long as you want. 5 stages is usually completed in 5 minutes. And just your way of moving. Want to get those ankles and wrists, elbows, knees, shoulders, and spine. Stage 2. It's called creeping, and on the floor, you would look like a lizard. So it's short and long. Let's see if I can do this right. Let's see. Short and long. There we go. So I've got one side of my body short, one long. I'm going to reverse that, as if I'm creeping along the floor, commando style. And if you can, look around. And feel free to take a break. That's fine too. Good job. Take a deep breath in. The third stage is crawling. So as if you were crawling on the floor. Slowly if you like, looking around if you can, resting when you need to. Even though we're crawling, we're looking around. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Stage 4. It's called standing. And in Nia, 5 stages, we stand in a squat. So how will we replicate that? With a little bit of balance, but vertical spine, which is what we would do if we were doing it on the floor anyway. Looking around, Now, if raising your leg makes it difficult, then don't raise your leg. Bring your leg up for just a second. There are all kinds of options, but the most important thing is our vertical spine. The fifth stage is walking. So you have a choice. You can stand and just walk through the space. Or you can walk in your chair. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Those are the 5 stages. And at some point when you're ready, we'll expand each stage to last a little longer, should you decide this is something for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.